Yes. Hello students. This is our multiple cycle circuit wherein only this double acting cylinder is connected, okay, and it is connected to the limit switch is this. This is a A0 limit switch, A1 limit switch, okay, and it is also connected to the 5/2 way DCV and also connected to the push button, okay. So what is happening is we have only these things in our circuit: one push button, one 5/2 DCV, one double acting cylinder, A0 limit switch, A1 limit switch. Okay, rest all the things are not in the circuit. Okay, whatever you can see, these things are not in the circuit. Okay, this is just a single cylinder kept aside. Okay, so what you can see is, see, these wires are connected. What is happening? I have given the connection from these three positions, these three DCVs. Okay, so these three wires, the source of air from compressed air from the compressor, these three pipes are going to the required position, where, see, one wire is going to the push button. Okay, one wire here is going to the push button type DCV, another wire here, okay, another wire here is going to the A1 limit switch, okay, and third wire is going to the DCV, 5/2 DCV, directly center input, okay, directly connected to the second number port, okay, or you can say it as the main source. Okay, so what is happening here, how the circuit is made? See, as soon as I press this push button, the air which is coming from this wire, okay, this pipe goes into this, okay, this is the pipe connected, okay, and it enters this limit switch A0. It enters this limit switch A0, and as this position is pressing this limit switch, this air which is entering inside this DCV now gets connected with this pipe, and then this pipe also now contains air because this is pressed. Therefore, first port and second port are connected. So therefore, this air comes here, it comes down here to this, okay, here, okay, to this 5/2 way DCV on the left side. It pushed the spools, it pushed the spool, okay, and then this wire which is connected to the compressor here, okay, this wire now gets connected, this port now gets connected to this port, okay, to the left hand side port, and therefore we get air, okay, we get air directly, see, we get air this to the cylinder, okay, left hand side part of the cylinder, head part of the cylinder, okay, and therefore the cylinder retracts, cylinder extends. Cylinder extends, okay, it moves from this position to this position. As soon as it reaches this position, okay, what happens? Because it is getting pressed, okay, now the air which is coming from the compressor, see, it is connected to the compressor here, okay, so air which is coming from the compressor, now it gets connected with the top port, okay, this port gets connected to the top port. Why? Because the piston has reached here and it is pressing this roller type limit switch, okay, so air is now going to this right hand side of the DCV, 5/2 way DCV, and therefore as soon as it reaches here, the spool gets pushed, and therefore this port, main source of the air, now gets connected to the right hand side port, and now the air is sent to the this port, okay, and then the cylinder retracts. As soon as it retracts, again this air, okay, again this air, okay, which was coming now, again it is giving air to the left hand side, again this port get connected to the left hand side, and therefore we get air on this side, okay, we get air, this gets dislodged, okay, therefore now we are not getting any air in this pipe, okay, we are not getting air in this pipe, in this pipe, okay, so we are not getting the air in this pipe, therefore we are not having any air, okay, we are not having any air here, okay, we are not having any air here, okay, this is the pipe, this is the output pipe, this here is the output pipe, we are not getting any air here, so there is no air present on this side, okay, so therefore as soon as it gets dislodged, there is no air, and as soon as it reaches here, what happens? This port and this port gets connected, and therefore the air which was coming here, okay, the air which was coming here in this pipe gets connected with this, and therefore we get air here. And as there was no air on this side, the spool was, though it was pushed, there was no air from this side. So now if the air comes from this side, right hand side, okay, what happens? The spool gets pushed. As soon as the spool gets pushed, this and this gets connected, and now you get the retraction. Okay, so this cycle gets completed. This cycle gets completed. This is a multiple cycle. Okay, as long as I have pressed the push button, okay, as long as I have pressed the push button, okay, this cycle goes on. Okay, why the cycle goes on? Because what is happening? As long as I am pushing the push button, I am giving the air. Okay, where I am giving the air? This air which is coming here. Okay, I am giving the air to this limit switch. Okay, I am giving the air to the limit switch. Therefore, air is available here at the limit switch, but it is not going here in the second pipe, in the top pipe. Why? Because when this position will be acquired, when this piston will come back at this position and hit here, then only this will get actuated. Okay, and then again the cycle will continue. Okay, so though I have pressed the push button here, okay, the air will not go in this pipe. It will be stuck here. But as soon as this piston reaches here, now the air will be coming here, and therefore we will getting the air on the left hand side of the 5x2 way DCV. Okay, hope you have understood the multiple cycle.